Hey,
I was just
we're recording.
laughing.
We're recording.
We're recording?
Yeah.
Sweet. Hey guys, what's up? John, Infidel Garage. That day y'all been waiting for, it's here. We got some 2.5-inch exhaust, 48 inches of it, stainless steel, straight from Wuhan Labs. Check that crap out. Then we got a Y pipe, 2.5-inch inlet. We got a 3-inch outlet.
Ooh!
See, that's all you gotta do is yell at it. Oh boy, she gonna sound real good right now. Oh man, done did it again. Deleted another useless 45 pounds. All right. We got our 2.5 welded up to our Y pipe. Y pipe is not welded in finally, or at all, to the 3-inch. I think what I'm going to do is dig in my box and see if I can't find a 3-inch clamp. That way this is somewhat removable. Good ground clearance. Nice and shiny. That's not the point, but speaking of which, let's get to the point. The sound. That sounds better, don't it?
Muffler's out.
It's still relatively quiet and idle.
Yeah. Maybe go give it a rev?
Should I?
Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. Muffler out. Oh! Ooh! Bud! Bud, that's what you call a race car.